Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand.
That is hash, and I have a recipe coming up on how to make that hash. That's an egg. That's bread. Hey, Mike Foster here. It's my fried egg and hash sandwich. Seriously. I like, when I have breakfast sometimes, I like to have a little hash with my eggs. I'm making a sandwich out of it. I'll meet you at the stove, put this bad boy together. It's sandwich month here at Live Life 365. Sandwiches, sandwiches, sandwiches. All right, we're going to start off with a little butter. Slop it around. Let's get some hash in here. All right. I'm going to cook the hash on one side, the egg on the other side. That's how I'm doing it. Try to get a little char in this hash. Let's get that egg down. The egg right here. Perfect. Yeah. A little pepper. I'll put it on both. That's all you need. Let's see how we're doing. All right, this egg needs another couple minutes. See how that hash is doing. Let's flip it a little. Mess it up. Yeah, got one side. Let's get the other. Another couple minutes on that side. We'll get that egg done. All right, let's flip this egg. Shut this baby off. I'll meet you at the counter, put this bad boy together. All right, just out of the toaster. Put butter on both sides. Here's the egg on top of the hash. Just slop it down like that. That's how you do it. All right, a little extra leftover hash on this side. Oh, it's gonna be a mess. Here's the secret ingredient. You need to have a little ketchup when you have hash, right? That's the thing. Here's the flipperoo. Oh, press-a-roo. Try the old slice. A-roo. There's a reveal. Oh yeah, close-up coming up. There is fried egg and hash sandwich. It's another crazy one. Wait till you see how this tastes. Only thing left is one big bite. Let's see it. Look at that yolk. It's perfect! The ketchup gives it a little sweetness to cut through a lot of that heartiness. One more bite. That's a pretty good sandwich. Good breakfast. Not healthy. Have one of these every decade. And subscribe to Live Life 365, my YouTube channel by the same name. Until next time, peace.
Live life 365.
That's ridiculous. And the sweet babo. Bob, 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 bob.